Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an eyebrow tutorial. You would like to see how I maintain and fill in my brows? Then stay tuned. Here are some tools you may need. Start by brushing your brows in the natural direction that your hair grows. Pulling the skin tight, using slanted tweezers, tweeze in the direction of the hair growth. Brush the hair down at the top, and we're going to do the same thing we did to the bottom. Using the slanted tweezers, we're going to go in and strategically get all the little hairs at the top. Take your time with this because you don't want to pull too many hairs at the same time. I'm doing a light hand because I'm growing out my brows, so take your time. Going in with the pointed tip tweezers, we're going to remove all the hair that we did not get with the slanted tweezers. This you can get really precise and define the line above and beneath your brow. With an eyeliner pencil, map out your brows. These two lines will help you not to overpluck. Using your tweezers, remove unwanted hair below and above the lines that you created. Now wipe away the eyeliner to see your work. Going in with the pointed tweezers, we're going to do the same thing we did on the other side. I'm using the Flawless Brows to clean up in between my brows. I'm going to prep my brows using eyeshadow primer. Going in with my favorite eyebrow pencil, I'm going to start filling in the sparse areas of my brows. Brush the product through your brows and repeat if necessary. Use concealer or foundation to clean up your brows. Use brow gel to set your eyebrows in place. That is all. Thanks for watching.